Again, I want to say thank you so much for coming out to Engage. I hope that you enjoyed your experience with us. I know we enjoyed having you. We believe that God has given us a mission in the city of Tallahassee that's really summed up in our name, Engage. We really have a mantra here at our church, and it's simply to engage God, to engage people, and to engage culture. We want people, no matter where they're at in their spiritual journey, to be able to engage God. Where if they're discovering what does it really mean to have a relationship with Jesus, or if you're looking for a local church and you've been serving Him for many years, we want you to be able to find the place, and we hope that Engage is a place where you truly can engage Him. We also want to create a diverse and unique environment that fosters really spiritual growth and maturity inside of people. We also believe in engaging culture. We want to create an environment where we empower people in their gifts and their talents that God has given them to see them launch out to places and spaces in our city. We believe that we are called to add value to the city of Tallahassee. And we believe we can do that by creating new businesses in the city, new social initiatives in the city. We believe that in your workplace, in your work environment, that by you being there, it should be better. And we want to create an opportunity in an environment where people can grow and be able to develop their gifts so that could become a reality. Again, I want to say thank you so much for visiting with us today. Please visit EngageTallahassee.com. It has more information about our church. Also, you can go to iTunes at Engage Church and you can get the podcast as well. Again, I want to say thank you for coming and visiting with us today. We hope to see you next week. Take care.